message. I got a real cool message. Hey, squat down. Pokemon trainers. I'm out here in the wild playing Pokemon Go trying to catch a Pikachu. This shit released in Canada. I had it before, but that's no. We're gonna catch a Pikachu today on the Tabuska show. Let's go. Look at this one. Hey, we found a Pokestop. Look at this. Another cool feature of Pokemon Go, if you don't already know, you can find cool Pokestops everywhere, huh? This nice ladies one. Hey, check this out. Venus in the Wood. That's pretty sick. Give it a twirl. And that's what I call a game in one. I think it's time that we face off against the gym up here. My own team, Team Valor. Hey, we're gonna hit the gym up. We're gonna hit it up. See my little head? Yeah, we're gonna hit up the gym. We're gonna fight this Tentacruel like a motherfucker with this rat. This Tentacruel with this thing. Hey. Okay, here we go. Battling a Tentacruel. Yeah, this is my spot on the gym, buddy. Fuck with me, Tentacruel. Fuck with me, Tentacruel. Yeah, Tentacruel.
Did you win?
Yeah, I'm gonna win.
We lost.
Whoopsies. There's a Zubat nearby. If we catch that, I might be satisfied, like a little bit. That looks sick, dude. That looks like Coke. That's fucked up. I think the Zubat's just up ahead a little bit. There's one step on my thing, and we've walked around, so it's got to be in this little area. But it's worth it, so I can get a Crobat, or Golbat. Also, when we're down there, I got a Caterpie.
You good?
I'm doing this for a Golbat. Oh, fuck! Yeah, I wonder what else I'm gonna find out here. Like hepatitis? This is sick. I just touched the open fucking nail. Ugh. Nope, fuck that, dude. I don't need a Zubat that bad. Yeah, don't go in the pond for a Zubat. Catch any Pokemon? Yeah, that's a cool Pokemon. Hey, you got a cute Pokemon.
Oh yeah, thanks. His name's actually Onyx. Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
No, he cannot be captured.
You know, they really hyped this game up in the trailer, honestly. They hyped it up pretty good. Like, there's a Mewtwo going around, and then you're just pretty dead. Like, in, like, real life, you're just walking around, like, clicking your phone, and, like, my AR doesn't even work on my phone, so... Hey, are you guys Team Valor?
No, I'm only level 6. Please give me over.
That's trash. Here we go, here we go. It jumped. I got it mid-jump. Did you see that? One roll. Oh, look at my little chin. Chinny chin. Dude. Here we go, here we go. This is it. This is my 4th roll. And there's a family coming. Gotcha, gotcha. We caught it. We caught the Pidgey. sick.
Yeah, it is. You're good.
For good, we caught it. That's a beautiful note. And I really hurt my foot doing that, dude. I really, that little kick I just did, that was really cool.
I got him on film too.
Regret it. I regret it. Hey, do you see that bumblebee?
Yeah.